Hey everybody, it's Jenny and I am going to share with you today my Cocoa Daisy design team box. All of these items this month I received as part of my design team package. I did not purchase any extra items this month, so let's go ahead and take a look. I haven't even opened this. I literally only cut the tape. That is it. All right, so we've got the cute little card, and this month the artwork is by Lanús Pots. There's lots of different collaborations with her, and so you've probably seen some of those in the past. All right, so let's open up the Modern Memory Keeping Kit. All right, I'm just gonna turn it over and start at the back this time. I don't know why. First, it comes with these mini album instructions with a YouTube video as well, which is so cool. You can punch this and put this in your book of ideas. There is the pattern paper. I was so excited about this plaid. I love pastels, and the plaid is just beautiful. Lots and lots of springy pastels this month. I'm looking forward to using them because I do really always enjoy those. So there's 3 different sheets of patterned paper, and you get 2 of each one. All right, and then there is also a couple of pieces of white cardstock. And then we have the rub-ons. Oh, I love the clouds so much, so cute. And then the rub-ons also come with the popsicle sticks, so you can rub those right onto your project. Then we have these alphas. They are so pretty. I absolutely love the yellow color. And I think I've told you guys before that I love this font so much. And then we also have some chipboard circles. All the circles you can imagine. Aren't these so cute? I just love them. All right, so now let's take a look at the pocket cards. All right, so first let's do the 4x6s. Look at those umbrellas, so cute. Spring, here comes spring. The flowers are really adorable too. Happiness blooms from within. That pretty plaid. April showers bring May flowers. That might be true if you live somewhere that it rains. It doesn't really rain here much, so it's not really a thing for me, but still very cute. The little bunny. I'm going to go through these a little bit quickly. I get that spending a lot of time on these makes the video a lot slower. Hey, hello, remember this, work hard and dream big, love hard and be kind, and breathe. I like that this is light blue this month. That's really cute. Clouds. Spring breathes new life into the world around us. Stay close to people who feel like sunshine. It's a bad day to have a bad day when skies are gray. And that's the little pug with the stocking hat. Sunshine on my mind, oh yeah. There's always a rainbow after the rain. Be happy in this moment, that's enough. Each moment is all we need, not more. Mother Teresa. This is really watercolory looking, which is fun with the overall theme. I absolutely love they're just not really themed. So like there is an Easter card in here, but it's absolutely like basically the only thing that's Easter. I mean, there's these bunnies, but they're not really particularly Easter themed. So I just think that's great in case you don't celebrate that. All right, so then we have some puffy stickers, and there's the pugs, the bunnies, a couple of snails, or maybe one snail, and then a bunch of butterflies, clouds, and raindrops. Little glitter enamel raindrops, so adorable. All right, we've got the stamp set. Unfortunately, it's hard to see because there's not a dark top, but there's a lot of different words, a vine, and a couple of butterflies. Then we have some die cut words, rain, rain, go away. Let's see what else is in there. Rain, rain, go away, spring fever, and you are my sunshine. So those are very cute. And then last but not least, we have all of the fun die cuts. I just pulled out a few. So look at that. I love these, the little circles. Those are going to be a lot of fun to use this month, I do think. All right, so then we have the Simple Dory. So it has this craft paper cover, and then you open it up on the inside, and it has some patterned pages and some plain pages. Very, very cool. It's the same size. It says Standard Traveler's Notebook. All right, and then this is the memory keeping classified kit. Honestly, this is probably my favorite kit because it always has just fun stuff in it that I really like. So these are alphabet die cuts, and these are my favorite ones. So that's probably a little bit why I love that. Here are a handful more die cuts. Another sheet of those puffy stickers. There is a couple of shipping tags, which I love to use. The big tags, which, oh my gosh, I love them. So the bunny, this watercolory looking one, and then Hello Spring. Then we have the pattern papers. These are the ones that come in the main planner kit, but they're always very pretty. I love those splotches in the background that are watercolor. So pretty. Gorgeous. And then there is that plaid and a couple of those cute little guys. Now I have a couple of sticker kits here as well. So this is the classic planner sticker kit. I really love the colors this month. I think these are going to be a lot of fun to use. All right, and then last but not least is the memory keeping sticker kit. These are bigger boxes, so they're basically about 2 inches wide, so they would fit really well in a big happy planner, or other full-size planners, the Daisy planner as well. Okay, I love these alphabet stickers. Love, love, love them. I love that little outline. These are going to be a lot of fun in my memory planner. So I will link all of these kits up for you below. If you saw something that you absolutely loved, go and get those so that you can document in April with us. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.